What if Lando Norris never passed Kimi Antonelli in the Qatar GP? Would Max Verstappen be a 5-time world champion today? After Sunday's race, every headline says the same thing. Lando Norris takes the world championship from Max Verstappen by just 2 points. But here's the wild part. If Norris hadn't overtaken Kimi for P4 in Qatar and had finished P5 instead, this single change would have meant that going into Abu Dhabi, Norris would be leading Max Verstappen by not 12 points but 10 points. And now here's the twist. If the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix ended exactly the way it did, Max P1 and Norris P3, they both would have ended the season level on points, which means a tie. In that case, who would have been the champion? According to FIA, whenever the drivers finish the championship equal on points, the countback rule decides the title. In that case, first comparison is race wins. Whichever driver has the most number of race wins wins the title. And according to that, then Max Verstappen would have been the world champion because he has more race wins than Lando Norris in 2025. If wins were tied, then they compare second places, then third, then fourth, and so on until one driver edges out. And only Grand Prix results count in this. Both full and short distance races. Sprint races don't count, fastest laps don't count, which are not even there since 2024. This kind of a perfect tie though has never happened in the history of Formula 1. The closest we came was 1984 when Niki Lauda beat Alain Prost by just half a point. So yes, if Lando would have finished behind Kimi in Qatar, this championship would have ended very differently. But in the end, the math is settled, history is written, and Formula 1 has a new world champion, Lando Norris. If you want to see more such content, then go ahead and subscribe to Racind.